This is why you need to know about Erythrolamprus ornatus. It's colorful, it's rare, and it's full of surprises. Let's dive in. Native to the Caribbean island of St. Lucia, the Erythrolamprus ornatus is a true local celebrity. Its bold bands of red, black, and yellow make it one of the most eye-catching snakes around. But don't worry, despite its flashy looks, it's completely harmless to humans. This little snake is a master of disguise. Its vibrant stripes mimic more dangerous species, which helps keep predators at bay. Pretty clever, right? Sadly, Erythrolamprus ornatus is also one of the rarest snakes on Earth, threatened mainly by habitat loss. So next time you think about the beauty of nature, remember this colorful wonder. Let's celebrate and protect our planet's hidden gems, like the incredible Erythrolamprus ornatus.